talk about how can you fix this problem on your Toloka app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just go down here. So you keep going down here. Then you click here on apps. Then come to apps list here. Then here you're looking for Toloka app here, or just click here on search. Then here add Toloka app here. Click on it here. So then it's going to show for you like this. Click here on first stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here. So then all you have to do, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.